okay, this is the first post-COVID meeting, so highlight, everybody was happy to see faces again. This is just a social highlight. But without the joke, social approaches, the fact that we're all happy, make the brain go faster. So it was that type of thing as well. And I think the major point that was discussed, okay, the evidence, I'm talking in terms of products and value for them, it's obvious. But the key point was that with what we learned with mRNA and adenoviruses, which were two things that had been tested in hundreds of people, and now suddenly they've been tested in millions of people. So with what we learned, we can progress further in some of these fields. Furthermore, what we also learned from the process point of view, from the regulatory point of view, from the way in which companies and regulators work together and researchers work together, potentially there is a kind of a boost. There might be a kind of a boost in these areas, which of course I would very much look forward to.